In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a footer on Google Sites fast and easy. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting started, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. So let's dive right in and make your Google site even more professional with a great-looking footer. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Sites. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in Google Sites into the search bar. When the search results appear, click on the first link. You should be directed to the main Google Sites page. Here, you'll see a clear view of your existing sites and options to create new ones. For those of you looking to create a brand new site, go ahead and click on the plus icon to start a blank site. This step sets the foundation for your new project. On this new blank canvas, you have the freedom to design your site's layout just how you envision it. Once your site editor is open, scroll down until you see the option labeled Add Footer. This section is crucial, as the footer will appear on every page of your site, which means you get to maintain a consistent look and feel across all your web pages effortlessly. Now that you've added the footer, it's time to populate it with content. Click inside the footer area, and you have a world of options at your fingertips. Start by inserting a simple text line like C 2025, your company, all rights reserved. This not only looks professional, but also adds a layer of protection and authenticity to your site. Don't stop there. Enhance your footer by adding links to important sections such as your privacy policy, About Us page, or even your social media profiles. These links make it easier for visitors to navigate and find crucial information about your brand. Consider further personalization by adding logos or brand images within your footer. This can strengthen brand recognition and ensure your site aligns with your overall brand identity. If desired, you can also embed buttons or multimedia items that encourage user interaction, like signing up for a newsletter or contacting your team. After customizing your footer content to fit your needs, the final step is to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button. This crucial action ensures that all your recent modifications are saved and reflected on your live site. By publishing, you make sure that anyone visiting your site gets to experience the polished, professional look that you've worked hard to create. And there you have it. Your Google site is now equipped with a stunning, functional footer. It's all about making sure your visitors have a seamless and professional experience on your site, and a customized footer is a key part of achieving that goal. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.